how to fix and solve Walmart two-step verification. So if you want to fix and solve Walmart two-step verification, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Walmart, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you logged into your Walmart, you need to just simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you need to scroll down and go with the account section. Once you tap on account, you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with settings, which will be in the top right, and now go with contact info and password. And here you will have your email address and your phone number, right? So in my case, my email address has been verified, but I have not added my phone number. So you can go and select any option that you're comfortable with, like your phone number or your email address. That is not verified. So here what you need to do is just simply click on the edit option, which will be on the right side, and you can go and add your email address. But make sure to verify. Enter your email address, and then you will receive a code to your email. You can open your mail and then check it. Once you find your code, you need to copy and then paste it right here. Go with verify email, and your email address will be verified. In the same way, you can do with the phone number as well. You need to go and verify your phone number. Once done, you need to scroll down, and under the sign-in preference, you need to just simply go with two-factor authentication and turn on the two-factor authentication if you want the two-step verification. For the most protection, you need to sign in each time with your password plus a one-time verification code sent to your phone. So in this way, you'll be able to fix and solve Walmart two-step verification. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.